Hi everybody, it's me Poroshia today. Have you ever felt like learning English is just too much difficult? Like no matter how hard you try, still you can't speak English fluently and confidently? If you, then let me tell you something, my dear friend. I was also exactly where you are right now. There was a time I couldn't speak English confidently and fluently. I used to feel stuck every single day. I couldn't express my ideas clearly. But also there was one thing that really helped me the most to become a fluent English speaker. And of course, it's not grammar, it's not vocabulary, it's something more powerful, consistency. Yes, you heard me right. And in this video, I'm gonna share how staying consistent helped me the most to become a fluent English speaker. So if you are struggling, if you are thinking you also need to improve your English, you can watch my video till the end. I'm very much sure my video will be so much beneficial for you. So first of all, let me tell you something about this place. Just have a look. It's an aesthetic place. And today I have come here with my friend Sakib. And nowadays my friend and I are trying to visit so many new places just to record some English videos. And as a result, today we are visiting this place. Actually, the thing is, last night my dear friend Sakib told me that Porosh, I visited a new place recently. So if you want, you can go there and make some English videos. That's the reason why we are here today. And right now, as you can see, I'm enjoying the natural view. At the same time, I'm recording an English video. And when I make English video, I feel so happy. It's a kind of pleasure for me. Okay, so let's come to the point. So are you ready to improve your English? Are you ready to learn something new? Yes, you are. That's great. So let's get started. Here we go. So see, for me, learning English was very difficult initially because there was no one around me or in my family who could help me in my own English journey. So that's why in my beginning, I had to struggle a lot. Why I'm saying this? Because my father never went to school. My elder brother couldn't complete his primary education. So literally there was no one around me who could help me to learn spoken English. So that's why I had to manage everything by my own sense or like by my own self. And I really did it in my beginning. You know, I didn't give up on that. I created a strong mindset and I was consistent. I never missed practicing English. I never did procrastinate with myself. And that's why today I'm being able to speak English confidently and eloquently in front of the camera. You know, in our country, the majority of people, they think that, oh, English is very difficult. But the truth is they start their English journey. But then what happens? Then like they start their English journey and after a few days later, they give up. They can't hold their consistency. That's the prime reason why they can't speak English fluently or like confidently. So that's why you have to be consistent enough. I really don't know what do you think about it. Are you consistent enough or not? But if you ask me the same question, then I will answer you that I am consistent enough. Because I have started my journey almost like 17 months earlier. And still I have the same passion. I have the same willingness to learn English and to improve myself. And that's why I visit this type of places and I try to learn English practically. I make videos. See, I'm learning English. At the same time, I'm inspiring people. You know, it fills my heart with full of satisfaction. I feel so happy when I think about it. Like, I'm not a very good English speaker, but still I try to articulate my ideas. I try to express my thoughts clearly and, you know, with my viewers, with my lovely audience. And if you are my long-time viewers, then you know about my struggle. You know how much passionate I am for learning English. You know, my passion, my willingness, my willpower always drive me to learn English. And that's why I'm doing all the things. My main motive is I want to improve myself and I also want to share how am I doing. And these are the reasons why I am making this type of video. I just want to motivate you and I just want to tell you that if I can do it, you can do it too. Since when I started my journey, I have been consistent. I never missed practicing English. I never missed listening to English videos. I never missed, do the practice every single day. So that's why now I am being able to speak English. So you have to create the same mentality to learn English. And if you have this, I'm pretty sure sooner or later you will be able to speak English. And also there is a wrong concept that going on in our mind that is like we have to be talented to do something. But the reality is you don't need to be talented to do something. See, when I started my journey, I wasn't that much talented to learn English. But I practiced every single day. I was consistent enough. And after practicing lots of time now, you can see my English improved a lot. So you don't need to be talented to do something or to learn something. You have to practice it every single day, because talent is not something that you already have. Talent is something when you practice a certain thing again and again and again. When you practice this again and again and again, then it comes a talent for you. So you have to think about it. You have to understand the whole concept. You know, the majority of people think that, oh, I'm not talented, I don't have any environment, I don't have anyone around me, I don't have any mentor, so how can I learn English? This is totally a wrong concept. So you have to leave it. You have to leave this garbage from your mind, and you have to focus on learning. You are just wasting your time. You know, in my every single videos, I try to mention one thing, that we are wasting our time on unnecessary things. But to be honest, I never ever try to waste my time on unnecessary things. Yeah, I also use social media, but I don't use it for a long time. I try to learn English most of the time because it's helping me to create my own identity. It's helping me to reach more people. I mean, for learning English, people are knowing me, they are recognizing me, and it's really a great thing for me, isn't it? So if you also want to be great, if you want to do something great in your life, you have to do something. And for us, we are learning English. Like I'm an English learner because I want to speak this language eloquently and spontaneously. I want to communicate with people all around the world. I want to understand them clearly and perfectly. That's why I'm learning English. And today I'm really happy because after many days later I'm recording an English video, and I want to thank my friend Sakib because he is helping me to create this video. Although I was supposed to create this video with my own gimbal, but it's really windy outside. As you can see, my hairs are flying in this air, so that's why I'm unable to create this video with my gimbal. And that's why, like before starting this video, I had told my friend Sakib that friend, it would be better if you just hold the camera for me, and it would be better. And that's why now I'm recording this video. So you can see on my right there is a park available, and right now there is no one in this park because it's morning time, and I really prefer morning time to speak English, also to make videos, because in the morning we have fewer distractions. Our mind is clear, we can learn anything, and we can also do anything in the morning. It would be more better. That's why I really prefer this. Well, I'm really tired right now. I need some H2O. What does it mean, H2O? H2O means water. You know, I'm from a science background, so I know these things. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, before finishing this video, let me tell you more one thing, that like if you are consistent, if you maintain your regularity, it's absolutely possible for you to learn English. Whatever you do, you have to speak English. Whenever you are eating, you have to speak English. Whenever you are walking, you have to speak English. If you do all the things, it will become more easier to learn English. Like people think that English is difficult, but I find it fun. I try to learn English in a practical way. I try to learn English in a fun way. That's why it's very easy for me. And I never ever try to procrastinate with myself, because when I am on my journey, when I'm learning, when I am on the run, I don't have any time to procrastinate with myself or like think about other things. I just focus on learning, and I try to maintain it, or I try to learn English continuously. And you know, I'm dedicated to continuous improvement. I try to learn, I try to improve, I try to make videos. Yeah, these are the things which really make me happy. Yes, so you can see the amazing view behind me. It's absolutely breathtaking, eye-catching, mesmerizing. So if you want, you can visit this type of places. You can learn English like me and try to inspire everybody. Like I am making this video just to inspire you. And if you want, you can also inspire people. And when you are inspiring people, that time you will feel something in yourself that okay, you are inspiring people. That's why you have much responsibilities. So you have to do it. Okay, so I think the video is getting more longer. I don't want to make it more longer, so I think I had better stop here. Today I'm really tired right now. It's time to take some water. Okay, or like drink some water. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video beneficial, then please consider to subscribe my channel. It will be a great thing for me. I'm recording this video just for you. So if you want, you can subscribe my channel. You will get more videos like this. So thank you again. See you in the next time. Till then, have a great day. Take care of yourself, and bye for now.